everyone. I just wanted to tell you about my experience with pop-on veneers. As you can see, I do not have them in. I have chipped teeth. They're yellow, stained. Yeah, I've got several chipped teeth. And I just wanted a confidence booster. So I set up a payment plan after I read all the reviews, and I got the payment plan, and they sent me my molds. So I did the 3 molds, sent them back the same day, and within 2 weeks I got my veneers, and I absolutely love them. I'm about to order extra pairs. I got the natural white, and they are white. But I'm going to show you how to put them in. I mean, they pop right in. It's so easy. I'm going to do my bottom first. They're so thin. I mean, you can't even tell you've got them on. Bottom in. Top in. I have so much confidence now. It's just unbelievable. It's the best purchase I have ever made in my life. So y'all should give it a try.